Next, yung P. Ano yung P, Nico? Protection. Pakisabi nga protection. Nico, anong klase protection to? It's financial protection. Okay? So, bakit importante to for finances? Kasi kami naniniwala, imposible ang financial freedom nang hindi mo naiintindihan gano'ng ka-importante to. Maraming Pilipino, pag pinag-usapan ng insurance, hindi nila makaintindihan. In fact, yung iba pa nga, pag insurance ang usapan, gastos lang yan. Hello? Ang masaklap yung iba pa, pag insurance pinag-usapan, ang mindset nila, pag bumili ako yan, parang ina-attract ko ang aksidente. Now, I want you to understand this. Ang pagtanggap or pagkuha ng financial protection is actually not attracting accident. It's actually a very, very powerful to prepare you for your financial loss. Kasi anytime pwede may nangyari. Pag may nangyari at may unexpected expense, may magbabayad. Are you following? And bakit importante sa atin to? Kasi technically, importante, if you want financial freedom, kailangan marunong ka mag-manage ng pera. And the first level and foundation ng pag-manage ng pera, financial protection. Kasi kahit anong budget mo, kahit anong manage mo dyan, kapag may biglang nangyari, lahat ng savings at inipon mo, magagalaw lahat yan. Are you following? Pagmamabayad sa hospital, pagmamabayad sa nito. So, para hindi mangyari sa yan, you need to actually have financial protection. So, ang ginawa natin sa Ascendra, we need the financial protection democratized. Pag sinabing democratized, pinamura. Binuksan, ginawang accessible for everyone. We partnered with Sterling Insurance and we have here the basic AI and premium AI. Ang maganda dito, when you buy a basic AI or premium AI for 3,500 or 5,000, affiliate member ka na. When I say affiliate member, may access ka. 15% discount sa mga vitality products natin. Pwede mo rin siyang ibenta or i-share para pagkakitaan or pwedeng gamitin. At the same time, covered ka na. Are you following? Yes. So imagine at 3,500, you have 750,000 accidental death, 750 to 50,000 medical reimbursement, 25,000 burial expense, murder and assault 125, 500 pesos hospital day, hospital income, and unlimited teleconsult. Magkano magpakonsulta sa doktor ngayon at 500 to 600 pesos? Ito at 3,500, unlimited 24/7, covered ka for the whole year. Are you following? Yes. So, bakit importante ito? Ba't tayo gumawa ng ganito? Kasi nga, we want to make Filipinos understand na ang number one cause ng poverty at pag-utang kasi nga, hindi protected, out of the pocket. Pag may biglang expense, out of the pocket. And huwag mo isipin na inaattract mo aksidente. Parang fire extinguisher lang yan. Ano yung fire extinguisher? Ayun, may fire extinguisher dito. Lahat ng building, lahat ng mga facilities, hindi pwede mag-operate ng walang ano yan, mandated yan ng Bureau of Fire. Tama ba? Hindi pwede mag-operate ng isang building na walang fire extinguisher. Ibig sabihin ba, pag bumibili ako ng fire extinguisher, ibig sabihin na attack yung sunog? Hello? Hindi po. Kaya may fire extinguisher dyan bago mag-operate ang isang opisina or isang building. Kasi alam at naiintindihan natin na ito yung mga bagay that it's better for you to have it when you don't need it yet than to need it and you don't have it. Ano daw yun? Sabi ni ba, yes! Ano daw, English yun ha? So sa Tagalog, mas mabuti lang meron ka nang hindi mo pa kailangan kaysa kailanganin mo nang wala ka. Are you following? That's the same with coverage, same thing with insurance. Kaya ito, first level to of having a good financial habit. Pag naiintindihan mo ngayon to, mas mabilis kayo ng pagiging financially free. Are you following? Kasi nagkakaroon ka ng matalinong pag-handle ng kaperahan. Kasi hindi naman about mag-income lang eh. Maraming magaling kumita pero hindi mo naman mag-manage ng pera. Parang tahimik kayo ulit ha. Tama ba or tinatamaan na? Tinatamaan na. Okay, thank you. Okay, so yun po mga kaibigan. Okay ba yan? So ito yung ating mga solutions. MVP, Mastery, Vitality Protection, and lahat po yan nasa loob ng ating mga enrollment package. Meron tayong 5 magkakaibang enrollment package. You can start an associate rank at 8,500. Pwede ka magsimula as a builder at 17,500, consultant at 45,500, director at 110,500, or you can start at executive rank at 199,800. Are you following? So, one account lang po tayo, one enrollment lang tayo per name. You get to choose whatever rank or whatever enrollment package. Ang maganda naman dyan, upgradable siya. Sabi nga, upgradable. So, pag namili ka ng isang enrollment, for example, nag-start ka lang muna as a builder. Mamimili ka kung MVP, MV, or MP. We have different combination of the solutions. Gusto mong combination ng mastery, vitality, and protection? Meron tayong builder na ganyan ang laman. Meron din tayong mastery and vitality. Gusto mo yung mastery lang, knowledge and skills, tapos puro pang-health na? Meron din tayo. Meron din naman tayong iba, ang gusto nila, mastery and protection. Ibig sabihin, ang market nila, marami silang co-over. So nung bumili sila ng enrollment package ng 17.5, ang kinuha nila, mastery, tapos kinover yung asawa, anak, kapatid, pamangkin. Are you following? So pwede rin po. So you get to choose. Different. May power ka to choose. May power ka of option. Now, yung iba naman, gusto magsimula sa executive, kasi may mga dependents eh. Like for example, ikaw ay may medium, meron kang small and medium enterprise, may negosyo ka. May 10 empleyado, 20, 30. Lagi mo tandaan, mapag-isa, 100 or 100,000 empleyado mo. Lahat ng empleyado mo considered as risk mo yan. Hello? Pag may nangyari dyan, sa'yo mo na nalapit yan. Sa'yo nakakadok, boss, pautang naman. So, imbis na, humugot ka pa sa negosyo pang utang, maganda dyan, dito pwede mo na silang i-cover, na-transfer mo na yung risk. Diba? Mas mataas pa ang retention kasi pogi points yan for you. Kasi your people will appreciate that you value their financial health. Kaya kino-cover mo sila. Okay ba yun? Yeah. So, technically, you get to choose whatever there. Kung pwede ka namang mag-executive, may access ka na rin sa lahat ng mastery modules from associate to executive. Clear? Yes. Okay, maliwanag. So yan, yung ating mga enrollment package na